some mango flour. You're going to use mangoes. And even some graham crackers. And even some condensed milk, which is sweetened. And some condensed cream.
That's not condensed cream. It's cream.
It's cream.
Nestle cream.
That's the cream. And this is what all the ingredients we are going to use for making mango flow. Now let's get started. We have to make this really good.
I think it's mixed good now.
It's time for mangoes, guys. Here. And the last part we are going to put the graham crumbs on top. Here are they coming. Well done. We'll put this in the fridge for 2 hours.
Open it up. Alright, looks good.
And I'm gonna scoop it too.
Maybe Daddy can help you slice it.
Not like that. You gotta cut it first.
I'm cutting it like this. This is going to be my piece, okay?
It's a big piece, but okay.
Let Daddy do it. Let Daddy do it.
Let me scoop the ball.
Let me help you a little bit there. There.
Now it's time for your turn to get some.
Yours?
Uh-huh. But first, before you do that, gotta scoop it for you too. Now this is going to be yours.
You can scoop it?
Uh-huh.
Let's see, you gotta scoop it and then put it in the bowl without making a mess. Whoa.
Now you got this slingshot.
I'm gonna slingshot it into my face.
Uh-huh.